Friends, in this video we will discuss about 20 MCQs with their answers which are based on research aptitude and which will be helpful to the candidates of NET and SET examinations. This is 15th part and 14 videos have already been uploaded to the YouTube channel SPSS EDU. Friends, in paper number 1 in all the subjects in NET and SET, research related questions are asked, and in education and psychology, research related questions are asked in paper 1 and 2 both. Let us start with the questions. Question 281. A class teacher asked all his students to take a test only as and when each one of them mastered the theory of gravitation. This is an example of norm reference test, feasibility test, summative test, criterion reference test. Friends, here teacher wants to check whether the objective is realized or not. So this is criterion reference test. Question 282. From which date is UGC regulation 2018 implemented to prevent plagiarism? 31st July 2018, 31st August 2018, 30th August 2018, 30th July 2018. The correct answer is 31st July 2018. Question 283. In which type of the test the performance of the student is compared with the performance of other students? Number 1, criterion reference test. Number 2, diagnostic test. Number 3, summative test. Number 4, norm reference test. Friends, if the performance is compared with other students, then it is norm reference test. (284) A researcher used the t-test to compare two means based on independent samples and found the t-value to be significant at 0.05 level. This means that chances are 5 out of 100 that the difference between means has occurred due to sampling errors. Chances are 95 out of 100 that the difference between means has occurred due to sampling errors. Number 3, if experiment is repeated 100 times, it would give the obtained result only 5 times. Number 4, if the experiment is repeated 5 times, it would give the same result every time. The correct answer is chances are 5 out of 100 that the difference between means has occurred due to sampling errors. Question 285. Match the pairs on the basis of the details given below. In list 1, interviews. Name of interviews are given: structured interview, unstructured interview, focused interviews, and clinical interviews. The meanings are given in list 2: greater flexibility approach, attention on the questions to be answered. Number 3, individual life experience. Number 4, predetermined questions, and number 5, non-directive. Options are given in this way, and the correct answer is option number 1. According to that, structured interviews have predetermined questions. B of list 1, unstructured interviews have greater flexibility approach. C of list 1, focused interviews, attention on the questions to be answered. D of list 1, clinical interviews, individual life experience. Question 286. What do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research? Number 1, to bring out holistic approach to research. Number 2, to reduce the emphasis of single subject in research domain. Number 3, to oversimplify the problem of research. 4. To create a new trend in research methodology. Friends, correct answer is, out of the given options, to bring out holistic approach to research is the main aim of interdisciplinary research. Question 287. One of the aims of the scientific method in research is to improve data interpretation. Number 2, eliminate spurious relations. Number 3, confirm triangulation. Number 4, introduce new variables. Friends, out of the given options, the correct answer is improve data interpretation. It is one of the aims of scientific method in research is to improve data interpretation. 288. The depth of any research can be judged by title of the research, objectives of the research, total expenditure on the research, duration of the research. Friends, depth of any research can be judged by the objectives of the research. Option 2 is correct. Question 289. Research can be conducted by a person who has studied research methodology. Number 2, holds a postgraduate degree. Number 3, possesses thinking and reasoning ability. Number 4, is a hard worker. Friends, correct answer is option number 1. Research can be conducted by a person who has studied research methodology. Question 290. Which of the following statements is correct? Number 1, objectives of research are stated in first chapter of the thesis. That is true, correct. Number 2, researcher must possess analytical ability. This is also correct. Number 3, variability is the source of problem. It is also correct. So, the option number 4 is correct, all the above. Question 291. Which of the following is not the method of research? Not the method of research. Observation, historical, survey, philosophical. The correct answer is observation is a technique of data collection. It is not a method. Question 292. Research can be classified as basic, applied and action research, quantitative and qualitative research. Number 3, philosophical, historical, survey and experimental research. Friends, in different disciplines, the types of research are classified in different ways. So, these all three are correct. So, the correct answer is all the above. Question 293. The first step of research is selecting a problem, searching a problem, finding a problem, identifying a problem. Friends, the first step is identifying a problem. Option number 4. Question 294. The experimental study is based on experimental study. The manipulation of variables. Number 2, conceptual parameters. Number 3, replication of research. Number 4, survey of literature. Friends, in experimental research, manipulation of independent variable is done. So, the experimental study is based on the manipulation of variables. Option number 1 is correct. Question 295. The main characteristic of scientific research is empirical, theoretical, experimental, all of the above. The main characteristic of scientific research is empirical. Option number 1. Question 296. Authenticity of research finding is its. Authenticity of a research finding is its originality, validity, objectivity, All of the above. Friends, the authenticity of research finding is its objectivity. Option number 3 is correct. Question 297. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Area sampling technique. Number 2, purposive sampling technique. Number 3, systematic sampling technique. Number 4, none of the above. Friends, out of the given option, the correct option is systematic sampling technique. It is probability sampling, and here population is finite. 298. Internal criticism is a required step in internal criticism. Experimental research, historical research, descriptive research, and philosophical research. Friends, internal and external criticism are done in historical research. Both are done when the sources for data are collected and all the sources are criticized internally and externally. Option number 2 is correct, historical research. Question 299. Which sampling technique will be most appropriate to draw a representative sample of heterogeneous population? Heterogeneous population. Number 1, stratified random. Number 2, quota. Number 3, purposive. Number 4, incidental. Friends, heterogeneous population is there, then stratified random is most appropriate to draw a representative sample. Option number 1, stratified random. Question number 300. Chi-square test is an example of parametric test, non-parametric test, descriptive test, survey test. Friends, chi-square is non-parametric test. Option number 2 is correct. Friends, in this way we have seen 20 MCQs and their answers based on research aptitude. In next video also we will see more 20 MCQs and their answer. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.